Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to try to make this video as helpful as possible. I am an iOS user and I made the mistake of updating to Google Voice, the newest version that was recently pulled from the App Store because it kept crashing. So this is how you can simply fix it. As you can see, if you try to open the application, it will immediately crash. And for some users, it has not let them sign in at all. So to fix this issue, this is what you have to do. Right now, we're currently connected to my home wireless network, as you can see there in the corner. And I come to find out that anytime you are connected to your network, it will crash. I don't know if it wants you to be off the network or off your Wi-Fi network, I will say, because I do not have, as you can obviously, I do not have AT&T or T-Mobile, or I have not tried it on an iPhone to find out if the problem is being caused because it's on a wireless network. So this is going to be for iPod Touch users, and if it works for you, mobile users, iPhone users, then that's wonderful as well. Okay, so what you want to do is, let me pull this card. This is my Netgear wireless router. Was provided to me by my ISP, which is Cox Communications here in Arizona. And what you're going to do, there is you can't really see it, and let me try to move it. So here is a wireless on, wireless off button. You click the button, as you can hear it click, and the wireless signal is now off. It was the blue light that was on here. As I come into my iPod, and I do not want you to see my password because it is my password to a lot of things. As you come in, you start your application right there, and it's going to tell you no network connection, changes will not be saved. You refresh the application, you turn on your wireless signal, or if you can also walk away from the range of your network, that will also work, and you refresh it. And as you can see, I'm already connected to my network again, and I have a text message already. I do not know the reason why it does this. When I updated to iOS 5, and I also, when I updated, before I even updated to iOS 5, I thought that could have been the problem, that Google Voice had updated to fit iOS 5 and it wasn't working with 4.5 or 4.3, whatever you had. And then I updated to iOS 5, and I come to find out that the problem is still here in iOS 5. I do love iOS 5. For those of you who do not have it, I did come to see that it's very nice. I completely like it. I like how you do not have to connect to a computer to sync anymore. See, I'm on my network now, but now let me get back on subject. Now as I try to open my application again, it's gonna crash. So just do what you can. For me, Google Voice is very important. I use it every single day, and I can't live without it. So I've had to use the Google Chrome application on my home computer, but I can't do that all the time. I'm at school and I can't take my home computer with me, obviously. And this was my way to connect while I was in school, but now with these issues, I can't do it. So you either have to walk out of the range of the wireless network, or you have to, just turn off the wireless network if you can. For example, at school, I can't turn off my wireless network. For some users, what they've been doing is that they've been putting their forwarding number as their as their text free, and it will like forward the text messages to your text free. For me, it didn't work, and I do not want to take the time to figure it out because I have school tomorrow. And I don't want to stay up all night and try to figure it out. I mean, it is very important for me since it connects me and my business, and it connects me and my friends. But now I can't do it. So that is a simple way to fix it. I hope it works for you. I don't know, as I said, I do not know if it will work for iPhone users, since you are connected on a network on a constant basis, I guess, if you have a data plan or whatever. I've never had an iPhone, and I do plan on soon getting an iPhone, but I need to work on it myself. So once again, I hope this helps you guys. It helped me. But the only problem is that you cannot close the app. After you open it, do not close it because it will just crash again. So I hope this works for you guys, and keep checking for updates. Go to Google Voices, Facebook, and tell them that they need to fix our app. I have recently wrote on their wall, proper English, and I asked them to fix their app, and they wrote back that that's not me. Actually, that's the Google Voice for iPhone. And I wrote, fix your app, Google, and they wrote back, we have a fix on its way as soon as possible. So write on their wall, tell them, hey, I'm an iPhone user and it's not working, please fix it as soon as possible. And hopefully they will release an update soon. I'm sorry for my crappy camera, but I hope this helps you guys. This was Juan Castillo, and I hope it works for you guys, and I hope we get our update soon. Alright guys, thank you.